Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this metallic black Vauxhall Corsa SRI. Now of course at the front you do get your LED corner lights. You've then got these brilliant gloss black alloy wheels which are a 16-inch alloy. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear now, we've got plenty of room inside the tailgate. As you can see, you've got your single folding rear bench, which will fold down to allow for extra storage space if you are doing any tip runs, for example. Then coming around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, with it being a 3-door, you do have the lever on the driver's seat to fold it forward. We've got full cloth black interior, you've got Isofix mounting points in the rear. Then into the front, we've got your 5-speed manual gearbox, got your air conditioning controls in the middle, got your touchscreen display which comes with your Bluetooth hands-free. You've got your various audio sources including AM, FM, DAB, USB, Bluetooth. You've got your city mode as well on the left hand side, which will lighten the steering wheel just to make it more handleable. On the left hand side we've got your cruise control and speed limiter. We've got your volume, source and your Bluetooth hands-free with voice assistant. Your onboard computer controls are on the indicator stalk, and as you can see this Corsa has done 32,403 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Corsa, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.